Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure battery is above 20% and that you have a stable connection. This avoids interruptions. Once ready, back up any custom APN entries or write down current values so you can restore them if needed. Now open Settings and go to Network and Internet on Android or Settings right arrow Cellular on iPhone. This gets you directly into the area where mobile network, data, and APN options are managed, so you can change technical values safely. You now edit the APN and network mode. First, find access point names or cellular data network. Tap to view or create an entry. Carefully enter fields such as name, APN, MMSC, MMS proxy, and APN type using provider values. These control data and messaging routing. Once done, select the preferred network mode. Choose 5G, 4G, or 3G depending on coverage and battery trade-offs, or pick specific bands if your device exposes them. Make sure to save changes before you finish by saving changes and forcing a reconnection. Restart the phone or toggle airplane mode on then off to re-register with the carrier. After that, test mobile data, MMS, and voice calls to confirm proper operation. Also check for carrier settings update and apply it. If things go wrong, reset network settings to default and then re-enter the provider APN exactly as supplied. This fixes most mismatches. If persistent, contact carrier support with your APN and device model details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.